Alright guys, it is the second full day and we haven't really vlogged much because we've been so tired and we slept the whole day, so now it's the end of the day. But
guys, it's too hot, I'm just sweating.
Yeah, but we're on our way to a boat. We're gonna do a sunset boat ride and see this rainbow light show.
Yacht.
Yacht. And yeah, we're in a taxi right now, headed to the marina. I feel like we still haven't woken up yet, even though it's like 5:45. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go on this boat ride and then maybe try to get some street food tonight. So let's see what we find. Guys, do you like my new haircut? I don't know if I like it, but it's an experiment.
Yeah, he had a Korean haircut.
I've imagined this moment about 1,000,000 times, and I know it's been said that our dreams never lived in real life. From the first time that I saw your face, covered in linen and light, you were a moment of grace, almost too good for my eyes. If this is a dream, then don't wake me up from this beautiful, wonderful thing.
Alright guys, we just got out of the taxi.
Yeah, guys, look at my dress.
Oh, queen. Korean queen. Guys, the taxi was incredibly cheap. In Switzerland, that would be like 40 francs. But we paid the equivalent of like 4 francs 50 cents.
Guys, because it's 7,000, I was like, this is a lot for just a minute.
No, that was cheap. And yeah guys, it's pretty hot. It's the end of September, but it's still really hot here, very humid.
I even snap a picture because the sun on the guys with us. Look.
Guys, we don't have time for picture, we're late, as usual. Check out this giant frappuccino.
If this is a dream, then don't wake me up from this beautiful, wonderful thing they call love. If this is a dream, then don't wake me up from this beautiful, wonderful thing they call love. This is a dream, then don't wake me up from this beautiful, wonderful thing they call love. If this is a dream, then don't wake me up from this beautiful, wonderful thing. If this is a dream, then don't wake me up from this beautiful, wonderful thing they call love. If this is a dream, then don't wake me up from this beautiful, wonderful thing they call love. Oh. to say how I feel. Whenever we talk, it's like the world goes still. There in your eyes, deep in your mind, I know you feel the same. Running the red things that you say.